Hi, welcome to LightPoint Labs. Today we're going to talk about the AireBridge SX, both the standard and wide beam. The AireBridge SX is our small form factor, short distance, laser-based FSO solution. As you can see, it has one transmit and one receive lens. This is designed to work between, say about 50 meters and 500 meters. The SX wide beam is designed for the shorter distances between 50 and 250 meters. And then we have the standard SX, which is good for 200 meters up to about 500 meters. So let me turn this around, show you the back end of the unit, and talk about the different aspects of the unit itself. So as you see, the back of the unit has our multiple inputs available to you. Also, you'll see here we have our built-in telescope for doing alignment. You'll also notice that we have a manual adjuster here. So let me go through some of these features and functions for you. First is our manual attenuator. When you're first aligning the system, you're going to turn the entire attenuator completely counterclockwise. And when you turn it completely counterclockwise, you're opening it up, you're reducing the amount of attenuation, which then allows you to easily align the system. If your installation is close enough, you're going to see the unit go into an overload state, at which time you're going to turn the attenuator knob clockwise until you see it drop down to approximately 8 bars of signal strength, which kind of brings me to our LED indicators here. You're going to see there's red LED indicators for loss of signal, 0 signal strength, as well as overload, too much signal strength. And then 10 signal strength bars, 10 being the maximum, 1 being the minimum. The AireBridge SX, along with our AireBridge LX and many of our other products, are PoE supported. That is their method of power, or primary method of power, is power over Ethernet. This is the port that plugs into our PoE injector that is included with each system. This also will handle the out-of-band management if you choose to use out-of-band management. You will need a second cable, whether it's a copper or fiber cable, for the data portion. So just like AireBridge LX and our AirBeam and Air Extreme products, we are a 2-cable solution. In this case, standard, the system comes as a 250 megabit full duplex product. Standard is RJ45, and that would be a 10-100-1000 Ethernet port. Now, the system comes, as I said, 250 megabits standard, but you can buy license keys to bring it up to 500 megabits per second or up to 1 gigabit per second. You'll also notice an open SFP port. That open SFP port allows you to buy an SFP and use fiber if you choose to. It also is used when you buy the optional AireBridge, which gives you your all-weather use. If you choose to use an SFP, we do sell them. We use industrial temperature products in order to make sure that it will function well in the outdoors. Lastly is our serial connection. Now, this is only used typically in emergencies for recovery. All of your programming can be done through the web interface or telnet, and that's our primary recommended way of programming the units. This system, as I mentioned, is also upgradable to AireBridge. If you want to go for AireBridge, you'll then get a secondary radio that will attach to the front of the unit, and you'll then use our dual path port up at the top, and you'll use this toggle switch, which would then power the radio. Now, this is something we've been selling for a number, I would say about 2 years now. We have a lot of experience with it, so if you have any questions, please contact sales. They'll let you know about pricing, availability, and be able to answer any questions you might have regarding the product. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.